Hi everyone and welcome to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy. I don't think it's really going to show you it too well, but it is a lovely, lovely glorious sunny day. Lots and lots of ships out there today. They look a bit further away than they really are. Just across the water there is Southend on the sea, and you can just about see the sand on a really good clear day. There is a little tiny haze out there, but it's not too bad, but it's a lovely sunny day, which is really good after all that awful rain that we've had. And it was torrential yesterday. Now over there's a couple of wood pigeons that live on that bush. See them sticking up all the time, just sitting there on their little perches. Pretty cool. So yeah, it's lovely and sunny. Oh, I'm sorry, went the wrong way. I think we probably see it better on the trees that are opposite. This is the trees, and just through those trees are horses, and just zoom out a little bit. There we are. It's just a very small road, little unmade road, and on the other side stables, horses, and lots of animals. Loads of wildlife around here, which is pretty sweet. And so that's how far the sea is away from us. That's my little red car. And these are our power lines and stuff, and they tend to go off every time we have strong winds, which is brilliant because this is quite a remote place, as you can imagine. Just at the end of this road is a sloping cliff, and then it does actually go all the way. You could walk down it, but I would always concern I won't get back up again. But it's a sloping cliff that goes all the way down to the sea. You do get people down there fishing, but they're probably a lot fitter than I am to get down there. So I just thought I'd give you a little look at my current view, which this way is better, obviously. It's obviously much bigger in the flesh, but yeah, it's a very nice day. If this weather continues, then that would be great. I'm fed up with rain. We've had so much this year. I'm sorry about if you can hear the wind noise. So I'm going to close this down, and I shall see you on the inside. Hi. So I've been a little bit on the naughty side. I've been out buying pyjamas and things for the grandchildren and grandson. I will sort of not seeing the other one until next week, so I shall have to look out for something for him. But I've been a little bit naughty, been buying yarn. Said I wasn't going to buy any more, but well, I couldn't resist it. So I bought some of this. It's called Finesse, King Cole Finesse Cotton. It's really cute, really lovely. So I'm going to give this a try, and I'm going to do a little review on it. It's really soft. It's lovely yarn, and I've bought a few colours. I got this lovely pink colour. They're obviously 50-gram balls. It's just called Soft Pink. And looking for more info. Wow. 70%, no, I need some light. 77% cotton and 23% silk. It's 131 yards or 120 metres. But this is a lovely soft pinky colour. This was the very last of this blue. The rest of them are all darker. And I got this really nice kind of dusky mauvey colour. Well, I should have told you what that was called, shouldn't I? Antique lilac. That's pretty. And the blue, which sadly they only had the one of, soft blue. Soft pink, soft blue. And then I just got some of this, which is white. I got a couple of whites. So I'm going to make something with it. And I got this, which, look at this. This is just the cutest thing. It's a measuring tape, and it just, it's so cute. It's just like a little ball of yarn. Isn't that lovely? So yep, got that as well. So I did buy some other bits and pieces, but we'll look at that another time. But I just wanted to show you my Finesse cotton silk DK weight. Absolutely lovely. And I'm looking for a project to do something with this. I love this. King Cole yarn is really lovely. But so watch this space. It's lovely. I'm going to review it as well. So yeah, so I shouldn't have bought any more. I think I'm going to have to start my videos now by just saying, hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and I'm a yarn addict. I think I might have to. So thanks for watching, everyone. And well, I'll see you on the flip side. Bye for now.